Oh.
Morning.
Morning.
Where are we going? Coffee?
We're going to go to one of these art galleries.
Well, we turned up to the venue and it's actually closed for another hour.
Yeah. Oh.
Now we're just trying to find somewhere that has Wi-Fi I can upload the video. It's raining today, which is sad. Lightly. Right, we have had coffee, we have had internet, and now we're going to go and record a performance.
A filming.
Yeah, sure.
And then,
Yeah, no problem. All right.
Sweet! So that's good news.
Yes.
The PA is fixed.
It is. I'm also going to be wearing mascara this time.
That'll make all the difference.
Ooh, let's put more chairs out. I can't quite decide if it's in tune or not. What is this piece of porn? Oh, I fucked it up.
So, thoughts on the microphone?
Very good.
Much better.
So much better. I just feel way more confident with it. Yeah.
Who are they?
I just don't know the names.
Yeah.
Oh, it's carnage.
Packed. We're just heading to see if we can get some tickets for a show. Because obviously there's lots of shows on, considering it's the festival.
Apocalypse cruise ship love affair. It's what we're going to try and see.
What we got?
These tickets to Apocalypse cruise ship love affair. Oh yeah, it does say it on it. It's really good value as well. Previously comedy later? Nope.
Didn't even acknowledge you.
Previously comedy later? Nope.
Thank you. Alright, back in. Let's enjoy the show.
Musical comedy show, guys. Free musical comedy show later. It's the camera, it just puts people off. It isn't really at all where I want it to be. Oh, it's quite nice. Look at that, it's nice.
How are you feeling about the show?
I'm worried that there won't be anyone there because I haven't flyed at all today.
We'll do some emergency flyering, it will all be fine. So we're about to get to gig number 2. Microphone is working as far as we know.
Hey, I'm going to a show in a minute. Yes! That's my flyer face. Thank you.
Nah, it's not you, sorry.
Oh, it's empty.
Basically what happened was, like, they were heckling. There was like 6 people in this little bit here, all heckling me like crazy.
So we're waiting for 3 more. At least.
That's what Sting says when he wants you to stop.
Was that good?
Are they avoiding coming out just so they don't have to pay me?
Yeah.
It's much better than yesterday. Much better than yesterday.
Relieved?
Yes. So much for that's very generous. They are so beautiful. Is that like a Matisse sock?
And breathe.
Few hours.
I don't know. Food.
Yes, actually. Let's go.
We're going to try and find some good vegan food here. Oh, we're stuck.
Let's just go.
Yeah. Give up on that idea.
What's going on?
I don't know. Going to a vegan bistro that Hannah said to check out. Thank you very much, Hannah. Henderson's Bistro in the Scottish accent, which I can't do.
Henderson's Bistro.
Confusing layout.
It is a bit.
We've just been sent back outside to go to the bistro. Completely vegan. Got a long train journey. I get back to London about 1 AM and then I'm up at about 5 AM again to head to Barcelona with Kira for Red Hook. So it's going to be exciting. Say Barcelona in a Spanish accent.
Barcelona with a Kira. Bye! Have an amazing time in Barcelona and India. India.
And good luck with the rest of your shows.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Bye.